Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a fantastic word, brush. It's an A2 level noun that refers to a tool with bristles for cleaning. We use a brush for so many things, right? Think about a hairbrush or a toothbrush. It's a very common tool indeed. Now, let's look at some synonyms. We could say scrubber. For example, the cleaning lady used a scrubber to clean the floors. Or maybe sweeper, like in the sentence, the street sweeper came by at 7 a.m. Now, what about antonyms? Well, we don't have a direct opposite for a brush, but we could think about things that achieve the opposite effect like a cloth or a sponge. She used a soft cloth to wipe the table, or he cleaned the dishes with a sponge. These aren't brushes at all. They have different uses. Now, how do we use brush in everyday life? We might say, I need to brush my teeth, or can you hand me the hairbrush, please? You also hear expressions like, he had a brush with fame, which means he had a short experience of being well known. You could also say, I'll just give this a quick brush, meaning a quick clean, or I need a new brush for the bathroom. Some simple sentences could be, the painter used a paintbrush, or my dog needs a good brush, or even don't forget to brush your shoes before going in. And that wraps up our word of the day. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. I also encourage you to write your own sentence using the word brush and leave it as a comment under the video.
See you next time.